Salamander Professional Combi Cleaner. The special cleaning foam for all leathers, synthetics and textiles in all colors. Shake well before use. Hold the can vertically and spray the cleaner on the enclosed sponge or a cloth. Check the compatibility of the material on an inconspicuous spot. Rub the cleaner first on stained parts, then on the whole surface. With sensitive materials, just dab the material. Leave to dry. Polish smooth leather with a cloth. Roughen suede leather areas with the Salamander Professional Suede Leather Brush. The powerful and gentle cleaning formula with lime oil removes dirt, stains, salt and water borders effortlessly and revives colors. Salamander Professional Combi Cleaner cleans all materials effectively through the special cleaning formula with lime oil.